The Maverick Gladbach is busting this evening. Upon seeing the return to form of Kevona Davis, it looked like people forget that before the Clayton twins and before Brianna Liston, there was Kevona Davis, outstanding Edwin Allen star, who had no equal at champs. She went off to university. She never made the Olympic team last year. I mean, I lie. Some of us started to worry a little. Well, she's still only 20 years old, and Kevona sounded a big warning on the collegiate circuit over the weekend. A new personal best of 10.95 in the 100, and then a win-aided 10.83, and also 22.26 personal best in the 200, all at the same meet on the same weekend, putting herself right there in what is guaranteed to be a massive rush for those sprint places on the Jamaica team to the World Championships. And as me said, I was starting to think that the change of environment and the change of coaching and the big bright lights might be distracting to Kevona Davis. But from what we're seeing, she's back on track. And as me say again, anytime me see a big Jamaican talent coming through, my glad bag.